Hey, hope you're having an awesome day. In this video, we'll be drawing snowflakes. And I'm not talking about these sort of snowflakes, just round little circles of dots falling from the sky. It's okay, it's very simple, kind of a little bit boring. I mean, if you look at a real snowflake, it is amazingly beautiful, detailed patterns that you see forming. And that's what we're going to be doing in this video. It's a real simple technique that I'm going to show you right now. Right, so the principle of drawing a beautiful snowflake is a very simple design. We are basically just going to draw 3 lines like this, and we are making essentially a 6-sided star. Now when you think about a snowflake, when it freezes, it starts in the middle and it grows and expands out. So that is the first snowflake. It is very simple, but you can build on that. You can make it more and more complex once you know you've got that basic structure there. And we can do that. So again, we draw our 3 lines. So we've got 6 points. And for example, maybe this one here, you want to draw circles on it. And snowflakes are beautiful. And they've all got their own unique designs, and you can do that. It's all about mixing and matching patterns. So you can do circles at the end like that. Another option, we draw out 6-pointed star, and then, for example, you can do these V shapes in there. And there you go, you've got another star. So you can build on that, you can make it more and more complex, or keep it simple, or mix up all the different designs on there as well. So we'll do a few more, and you'll get the idea. And you don't have to start off with the lines. If you could start off with a circle in the middle and then build out the lines from that center point. And you can mix and match them as well. So again, we start off with our 6-pointed star. Maybe you want to put circles on the end. And you can add that V shape in there. So you can see with basically the 3 lines and a mixture of different patterns like V shapes, little circles, even diamonds, you can create a number of different patterns and designs. You can make them as simple or as complex as you like. And the shapes don't even have to be joined to the actual shape. You can create dots in there as well. So there you go, very quickly, we've done a few examples. As you can see, basically 3 lines make a 6-pointed star, and then you can just add, mix and match all the different elements to it. So very simple, you can literally create an infinite number of different snowflakes. Well, there you go, there's our snowflakes. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our channel for some more drawing videos. Thanks for watching.